Welcome to DSA Progress. Today we'll be solving sum of first last element in an array. So the problem statement states that given an integer array nums, return the sum of first and the last element of the array. This is a simple problem. So here the input is given as array of integer numbers. So we just have to return nums of 0, the first element, plus nums of the last element. So how do we access the last element? By length. Nums or dot length minus 1. Let's run the code. So I missed a semicolon here. Let me add it. Let's rerun it again. The method length is not a method, so it is accepted. So when I give 2, that this one output is 4, and when they give an array, the sum of first and the last element is 2 plus 6, 8. So it is correct. Let's submit the code. So all the 26 test cases have passed. Thanks.